Hey, I'm finally out here, my outdoor garage. Welcome back. So today I'm replacing I had this old shift rod bushing in my collection of parts, and I got it string tied on to the shift rod, and I have the shifter disconnected and have the tunnel open. So we're going to pull that out and replace the bushing. And it's been a busy week for me. I haven't been able to be out here, but I did score this week. And Bill, if you're watching, thanks for watching for one, and thanks again. It was nice meeting you. Bill I met through Classified app, and he had this for sale, and he used it many years and sold it to me for $30. So I was very pleased, and I'm glad to keep it rolling and put it to use. So we're going to mount this thing on here, and when the tires are on and in place, I'm going to be able to wheel it down with one of my vehicles and put the engine into it. The engine is sitting in that garage. Alright, so let me get this set up, and I don't know, maybe I'll take you along. It's nice to be out here. I missed being out here, for sure. Very busy at work. Right there. Well, there's the clip. And the bushing, I believe, is in there. I don't see any sign of it though. Alright, let me investigate. I'll bring you back. Alright, so yeah, I'm getting it close. I just need to push it another couple feet, and just grabbed a bamboo stick from the garden, you know, because we're in the outdoor garage and might as well. Let's see. You can kind of see. Let's see if I can hold you steady while I do this. You see the other end of the tunnel? Okay, there we go. Oops, sorry. Pretty close. I see sunlight shining through. Let's go check. Here it is. That's simple. God. There we go. Simple. Man, I'm glad I did that now and not when the body's on, huh? All right. So I'm gonna put the coupling back on. I don't think I'm gonna replace this coupling. It's really doesn't seem to be that bad. And if I want to later on, I'll just do it later on. All right. We'll see what else I get into. All right, you guys You can see it there. There it is. Okay, it's in place. Now I'm going to tie the rod back onto the string and just kind of guide it through. Okay, yes, so I was correct. There was no sign of a bushing inside, just a ring. So I guess it's good that I'm doing this. Grease this up. Of course, I drop it. Hold on. All right, I got rid of that string. It's in the way. In the way of the bushing. All right, it's making its way back now. Okay. All right. Hey, Duckman. So I had installed this transmission bushing here, this mount, and you were talking about either up or down with the horseshoe, and I want to say that horseshoe, you're right, it's supposed to be down, facing up. And I had already mounted this, and you did your video, and I'm looking at mine and I'm like, oh man, I meant to check it out, and it actually looks like part of it, when you put the horseshoe in like this, it looks like the part of the bell, the nose cone is hitting it. So it's kind of making it do this. The transmission is kind of pushing away a little bit. So I'm going to have to take this out and flip it around. It really doesn't look correct the way that I have it mounted. So I guess that's what I'm doing the rest of the night. Alright, that transmission mount is back installed, and that is the correct way. That's gotta be. It just did not, I could see it wasn't liking it. So like we say at work, do it twice, do it nice. So and I tried to, you know, loosen it up and just pry it away. You can't get enough room to get that thing away. I don't care what Chris Vallone says. I had to remove this again, and then I was able to get it in just one side. So nice and stiff now. Looking good. And all right, we'll see what we get done next time. All right, what's up, E-Man Deluxe? We're at a secret location. This doesn't happen much. Since I can't work at home on the beetle, I'm looking ahead at some things coming up this winter, and I'm gonna need light out in that lean-to to work on the body. So check this out. We got these lights behind me. See right right there. They're very bright lights. They're LEDs. This is a huge warehouse where I'm working, and one of these lights just got crushed. As you can can see here. I'll show you. This is not easy to do. So it got driven over with a lift. It's pretty squashed. Okay. Sorry for the shaky camera, but this is very secret. This could go okay, but it could be a little scary.
What happened? Shit ain't gonna get done by looking at it. Where you at, nigga? If you found something your ass, you would know. You're like a ninja, bro.
Looks good to me. Free is for me. I'll see you later. This guy's just getting showered with hay. He does not care.